Welcome to Toddler classes. Today's topic on land transport name. Let's begin.
This is a school bus. This is a car. This is a truck. This is a police car. This is a bicycle. This is a taxi. This is an auto rickshaw. This is an ambulance. This is a van. This is a cement mixer. This is a crane. This is a motorcycle. This is a jeep. This is a fire truck. This is a scooter. This is a bus. This is a double-decker bus. This is a tram. This is a train. This is a bulldozer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.